Hello, this is a question on data representation. Here we want to group this data without using uh, frequency distribution grouped table. You can observe that we are asked to use tally. So that means we are not going to group this data. We have different types and sources of data. We have primary and secondary. So you are at least you have been aware that primary data are those one collected from the source. So probably through questionnaire, survey, and the like. But data you get from newspaper prints, internet and the like, they are not, they are not primary data because you are not the one that actually carried out the investigation before you get the result. So in this case now, we want to look at how we can tally this data. Okay. Now let's start with this. Let's draw our table. Let's draw a table this way. Let's draw a table this way. We have how many items of data here? We have 20. So let's look at the smallest data in this context. Um, in this context, we have let's say, this is the value data, this is the frequency, that's the column for frequency, and the last one is tally. Okay, so let's look at it. The smallest value here is what? I think it's 80. So we have 80. Are they in consecutive numbers? Do we have 81? No. Do we have 82? No. We have 83? No. We have 84? Do we have 85? Yes. Do we have 86? No 86. We have 87? Do we have 88? No. Yeah, we have 88. Do we have 89? No. Do we have 90? No. Do we have 91? Yes, we do. 91. Do we have 92? Yes. Do we have 93? Do we have 93? We have 93. And we have 95. So the least, the highest value here is, okay, 93. And we have 95. So let's rewrite it up here. But you can shift it by writing it later. Okay. Now let's do it first so that we now rewrite it because of our space. Now, how many 80s we have? 80. You cross it out. As you are, counting, you cross it out. We have how many 80s? We have 3. So you tally it. 1, 2, 3. That's how to tally. Now, how many 84? Let's cross 84 like this so that it will not confuse us with what we have got. So that's 4. We have 4 84. How many 85 do we have? Let's cross that one like this. That's 2. We have 2 85. How many 87? We have 87. Yes. Let's tick it so that it will not confuse us. 87. We have ticked that. That's 2. How many 88? 88. Let's cross it like this. 88. 88 is what? I think it's 1. Beautiful. How many 91? 91. Let's tick it like this. 2, 3. We have 3 91. How many 92? Let's draw it like this. 92. 92. What other 92? Do we have 92? We have 2 92. Good. How many 93? We have 1. Only 1 93. Only 1 93. 1. How many 95? We have 95. I think we have only 1 95. Beautiful. Then we have 98. Oh, 98 is the largest number there. Is it? Yes. How many 98? Have we counted 93 here? Yes, we have. We've counted 93. So we have 98, 1. Okay. So let's total everything together before we now rewrite it on the board. 7, 9, 11, 12, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20. Beautiful. So that means our finding is correct. So let's rewrite it so that we'll be able to see it clearly. Let's rewrite it so that we'll be able to see it clearly. Okay? Let's write everything now. So let's note. let's note that we have the source, the scores or the data. We have the frequency. Please, are we following? Okay, let's write it clearly. This will not take it. Okay. Data, good. Frequency and tally. This is a tally. Okay. So let's start. 80. We have 3. So 1, 2, 3. 84. We have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 85. So we have to manage this so that we not run into trouble because of our space. 85, we have 2, 1, 2. That's the way to do tally. 87, we have 2 as well. 1, 2. Now we go to 88. So let's try 2. Okay. We have 88. 88 is what? 1. So this is 1 tally. All right. So we have 80 after, we have 91 after 88. That's 3. 1, 2, 3. So what next? After 91, we have 92. We have 92. How many? 2. We have 1, 2. Then after 92, we have 93. How many? 1. It is 1. After 93, we have 95 and 98. 1, 1. 95 and 98. 1, 1. All right. 95, 1. The tally is 1. 98, 1. The tally is 1. So let's add and see. 7, 9, 11, 12, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20. Beautiful. So the total number of the data used is 20. So with this, we have come to the end of this problem. I believe we understood what we have been taught. Do well to click on the notification bell. Each time I upload a video, you'll be notified. And if you're joining us for the first time, always click subscribe button, click the subscribe button, click like, comment, and thumb up for this particular problem if you understand and you enjoy the class. Thanks you. God bless you. Bye.